In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete features in Waze. We'll be working inside the Waze map editor, and the process is very straightforward once you know where the editing tools are located. If you're new to the editor, don't worry, I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. To begin, go to Waze and open the live map in the editor. This is where you'll be able to view map elements and make changes directly. Make sure the map has fully loaded so all of the tools and visible features appear properly on your screen. Taking a moment here helps avoid confusion later, especially if the map is still rendering or zooming into place. Once you're on the live map, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. There, you'll find the pencil icon. This icon is important because it gives you access to editing options within the map. Click on the pencil icon to begin working in edit mode. If you don't immediately notice a change, just stay focused on the side panel and map interface because this is the control area you'll use for the next part. Next, look around the map and locate the feature that you want to delete. This could be any editable item currently visible on the map. Take your time with this step so you select the correct feature. If needed, visually confirm the location before moving forward. Being careful here is a good idea because deleting the wrong map element can create unnecessary cleanup afterward. Once you've found the feature, click on it so it becomes the active selection. This tells the editor exactly which item you want to work with. After the feature is selected, the available actions for that item should become easier to access through the interface. From there, click on the trash bin icon to delete the feature. That is the action that removes it from the map editor. Make sure you only do this after confirming that the selected item is the correct one. A quick visual check before clicking the trash bin can save time and prevent mistakes. And that's it. That's how to delete features in Waze. As a final tip, move slowly and stay aware of what you have selected at each stage. In map editing, precision matters, and a careful review before deleting anything can make the process much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently navigate the Waze editor.